This video chart presentation of BONT stores. BONT is the NASDAQ Global Select stock, trading our ticker BONT. This is a chart that just made a huge move from around $2.20 up to almost $10. Really falling hard over the last 2 months, but coming off a solid support level right here around $3.50, $3.60. Nice up day yesterday, up almost 8%. Decent volume. It's a chart to keep on watch today, see if it's going to continue the move upward. We're not going to get a lot from the indicators. They're looking for classic reversal positions. MACD histogram trending back towards zero. Getting pretty close to that point. Tells us a bullish cross could be coming. It's a classic PPO ADX pinch position. Nice spot for a reversal. MFI is down very low, trending below 50. That's to be expected with the price per share falling the way that it is. Same way with the accumulation distribution on a downward slide. Shaking money flow. A double bottom type of look to it. I always like to see that CCI pushing its way through negative 100. That's exactly the buy points and bottom feeders would use. They'd hold it unless it breaks back down through negative 100. Full stow's buried. There's not a lot of momentum. Little bit of upward pressure over the last couple of days, but nothing strong to speak of. Tricks, lagging indicator, not going to get anything from that. RSI's made a sharp turn yesterday with the buying pressure. Again, still very early on, but this is in classic bounce position. And importantly, coming off a nice support level right there at $3.50. You could say that actually runs up just a hair higher as well, up to around $3.60. That was the support level it was holding over the last week. But on the downside, I'd want to see it hold $3.50 undoubtedly, or there's a good chance it's going to come back down here and try and challenge this $3 area. Stock closed at $3.94. I see the next resistance starting to pick up a little bit around $4.60, and I'd expect that to run to right around $5. 200-day moving average is coming into play there. That's still quite a substantial upside of more than 25% to challenge that point. And that's why I'd have my eyes set for resistance to really start to pick up. Beyond that, I wouldn't see more until about $6, which is another 20% on top of that. And because the spaces are so large in between resistance points, that's why I think it's the chart to keep on radar, not to mention the strong support level that it's at. The indicators are set for an initial bounce, and that's what I'd be looking for. Perhaps go up here and challenge this resistance point, but then a pullback, a higher low, and then try and put together some sort of upward trend from that point forward. Again, if that support does fall, I'd pay attention to it down here around $3 and see how it performs at that point. I'd certainly want to see volume stay strong. It's 507,000 shares, right about average, perhaps just a little bit above. And I'd want to see it maintain those sort of levels with some upward pressure coming into it. Nice looking chart though, and a good one to keep on the watch list heading into the holiday weekend. But as always, it's merely my interpretation of the BONT chart. Thank you for watching and trade smart.